Hello, my name is Jarred Kozlick. I work at Rural Sourcing as a DevOps engineer and a solutions architect. You have an architecture that responds to events. Event-driven architectures is a great way to decouple your services and make efficient use of your resources, including your IT resources such as your infrastructure and your developers as well. The real three key services within event-driven architectures are, I guess the main service is the router. So that's what accepts and processes the message. And there's also producers and consumers. So producers send message to the router service, and then the consumers are able to receive message from that router service. So this fits really well into a microservices approach. When you use an event-driven architecture, your separate services don't need to know about one another specifically. All they need to know about is the event router and how they're going to send messages that are pulled from it. And what that does is it really decouples your services. The nice thing about having an architecture like this with that centralized message router is that it's one place where you can audit all your messages. You can see who's sending messages to who, which applications are producing, which applications are consuming, and it also gives you a single point where you give permissions to applications in order to consume and produce those messages. One of the things you're going to see from that is that it gives your developers more agility. So they're going to be able to move quicker because they're really focusing on the business logic at hand. They're not worrying about tying these systems together and how they're going to communicate. You can actually architect your solution to only be available when that event's available. And what that does is it makes sure that you don't have resources that are idly sitting by, just costing you money, not doing anything. Usually we think of reactionary systems as being bad, reacting to things, but in this case, this is a good place to be reactionary because you want to process events as they're coming down the pipe, and only then.